Baga? May baga lumili yung mainit. Parang kagaling na. Kani, kagaling. Thank you so much for watching. Sadyang ikaw lang ako. Nagmamahalan. Wait lang. Sa'yo lang ang pagmamahal na inalay ko sa'yo. Bakit ikaw ngayon ay biglang naglam? Bakit kung sino ka? Sir Fred! Hi, Sir Fred! Thank you for joining. Oh my God! Good evening! Good evening, Sir Fred. Coke for dinner. Food for dinner. My God. Sir James. Hello, beautiful. Hello. Singing to me again. Oh my God, no. Yeah. Hindi marunong magmahal. My God. Ay siyang madalas na iwan. Hindi naman ang thanks for watching. Sayang lang ang pagmamahal. 7 weeks, sure. Yes, 7 weeks. Oh my God. 7 weeks. Ah! Nilalay ko sa'yo. Thank you so much. Hope you hit the likes. Bakit ikaw ngayon ay biglang naglag? Thank you so much for the watching. Thank you, people. 20 people. Thank you sa likes. Bakit kung sino ka? How are you guys here? Winning. Winning here. Winning day. And then a lifetime, yes, the lifetime. Everyone like and subscribe. Thank you so much, your friend. Then lifetime, live together. No need to plan. No need to live alone. Thank you, 30 people in the house. Hi, in the house. Bakit kung thank you so much sa nag-hit ng likes. Thank you. Bakit kung sino pa siyang marunong magmahal ay siyang madalas mahlaman. Oh my God. Hello, Sheryl. I love you. 7 weeks in counting. I love you, my love, Mike. Thank you so much. Ace, dance please. Mike, if I dance, you can send a gift. I will dance. $1,000. He loves me too. Huh? Thank you sa likes. Thank you so much. Thank you for the likes. Teach me how to doggy. Teach me how to doggy. Teach me how to doggy. Thank you, my love. Oh my God, big fun. Big fun. Baby, you will think of me. Why do I love you? Thank you so much. Are you Filipina? Yes, I'm Asian, living from the Philippines. Yes, I'm Filipina, but I'm not Bisaya, please. Yeah. Chinese, Japanese, Korean. Half one, half Japanese. Baby, you were thinking of me. Why do I love you? Thank you so much. Thank you so likes. I always thought Chinese. Huh? Chinese. Wow, wow. Why do I love you? She is, she's, is, she is Mongolian. Oh, thank you sa likes. Thank you so much. I'm Filipino too. Ah, okay. She's a Bisaya. I'm not Bisaya. I am not Bisaya. She's also engaged. Yes, I'm engaged. I'm engaged to my handsome yummy. Ano, gusto mo na? Oh my God. Congratulations, Timothy. Thank you, Timothy. Kusaka, good evening. You are good from cooking. How I wish. Christina, hello Miss Ganda. Hi. It's almost fall, yeah. Something like that. Hi, Pusaka. Heirloom. Oh my God, heirloom. Again, heirloom. Baby, you're thinking of me. Why do I love you? Hello, Sir Fred from Visayas shortly. Okay. All Filipino is great at cooking. Thank you, Timothy. Where are you from, Timothy? Oh my God. Your name is confusing for me. Where are you from? Oh my God. Uh, Sorry, shortly when I write your YouTube name, it says Sherlock. Okay. Oh my God. Tia, I'm from America. Oh my God. Timothy, are you from America? Oh my gulay. Tia Chong, I just know Seashell is live. Where are you cooking? What are you cooking? Pork sinigang. Hey, Dad Tail. Baby, wait lang, wait. Ano kasi? Wait lang. Wait lang. Wait. Theo, that's right. Plenty of action there. Okay. Oh, wow. Yes! Hello. Hello. Yes, it's a wonder if he can keep up to you. My future home is full of life. Yes, I hope so. Theo Chong, hey record. Theo from GS, thank you so much for joining. Hey Nikki, Mike, Papa, Cheryl, and my friend. Thank you, Jess. So, Timothy, we're so impressed. Huh? What? I'm from America. Okay. I just now saw Cheryl sleep. Okay. Oh my god! You think you can handle it long term? Mike, how I wish. Thank you, my love, Mike. I love you super, super. Hello, Ryan. Anyone who writes your name, it comes up. How are you? Hello. Thank you, Jess. Thank you, Tion. Thank you, Sir Fred. Thank you, my love, Mike. Theo, it will be an advance for sure. Have a lot to learn and adapt to, yes. Oh my god. You can always buy a castle next door, Mike, if it gets too lively for you. Trinity, not so holy. Hello again. Long time no here. Thank you for welcome back. Thank you so much. Hit the likes. You seems to be in a really good mood, yes. I was good mood because I'm super duper in love. I love to my love Mike. Pisaka, yeah, I know sir from Pisaka. She in great mood because I'm here. Something like that. Yes, I seen you had a guy. But yes, thank you, Trinity. Yes. Look, unengaged. That's why. Oh, other live one translation. Oh, sorry. Oh, snap. No way, Fred. It's because of me. Oh my God. Something like that, Jess. Oh, character at learn. It's not because of Mike. Oh my God. Most my love Mike. My love Mike. My love. Exactly. Exactly. Oh my God. Hello, sweetness. You look so strong. Thank you. Indigenous. Oh my God, rugby league. I was talking to Mike. Did he suddenly fell asleep? Huh? Something like that, Tio. Oh, Mike is still here. Di ka nagkakasawang tingnan. Something like that, yeah. Something like that. Oh my God. Cheryl, please, nice near basketball court. I will not surprise when I will see Sir Mike doing Zumba dancing in the morning together with Cheryl. Yes, it's okay. Soon, Mike, do Zumba. Maybe, Son, Pusaka, Mike doing Zumba here. Oh my God, Tio, how's the water girl? The water girl. Di ka nagkakasawang tingnan. Make sure you do Zumba video of Mike. We need to laugh. We need to laugh. Oh my God. Mike, she could and sick the whole week. I didn't get to see her. Oh, why? What happened? I gotta go before Sir Mike kick my ass in here. Lol. Lol, Theo, what did you do to her? Give Mike, softly Ryan. Huh? Softly Ryan? Di ka nakakasawang Oh my God. Again and again. Di ka nakakasawang Look, my mom is still working there. Look, to fix the room. Wait lang. What's happening? Ayun na, tapos na. What good ay. to fix the door. Hey Cheryl, how are you? Hi Kyle, thank you for joining. How are you? I'm good. Cheryl, when I see Softy, I mean not as mean as he looks. Ah, okay. What is that? What it means? Softy. Cheryl, when I see Softy, I mean not as mean as he looks. Huh? I gave her crabs, Mike. Mike, a softer Ryan. What is that? Oh, don't understand. Wait lang. Wait lang. Wait lang. Means he may look mean, but he's like a big teddy bear soft. Uh, something like that. I think he means something else. Is a big softy. Habinan TV show. Who is Kyle? I went there and check it out. Like, wow, why? Who's Kyle? Why? What happened to Kyle? Mike, I hope you don't feel a bit jealous and angry when guys hit on your beautiful girl. Oh, not lies to you. Huh? I think Mike, he's one. What should I say? What should I say? Hi, Leofa. Thumbs up. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you so much. Thank you. Matthew, mother-in-law, TV. Hi. Oh my God. He's your mother-in-law? I hear your mother-in-law. The queer Fred, Mike mentioned. Sukrab was the Melius. There is not mentionable. Oh my God. What is that? What is that, Stevie? I think Stevie is like a one. That's not good. Oh my God, you said you're buang, Mike. Huh? I'm not saying buang. Oh my God. What? You have a wonderful personality and great charisma. I hope you will learn about Islam. I'm a Christian, sorry. With an open mind, I truly believe it's true religion with all due respect. Thank you, sweet. I respect your religions. I'm a Christian. Oh my God, that's not good. Mike STD, sexual transmitted disease. Oh my God. Like ang kwan. Ew. That's not good. Sir Fred, how many short video you upload daily minimum? Thank you, my love, Mike. Can you get used to that pounding mic? Pounding. Kyle, Faraz, let's respect her. So, thank you, Kyle. Normally, I upload once in morning and once at night. Ryan. Ryan. Where are you from, Sir Kyle? Oh my god. Okay. Gonna do tomorrow as well. Damn you not working on me. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Philippines. Okay, Kyle from Philippines. Mike, fall asleep again. Wait. I will call you before you going to sleep. Sleep. I will call you, Mike, before you going to sleep. 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 Asleep. Sleep. Theo, I'm watching for Damn Trolls. Thank you, my love, Mike. Might stop doing morning soon because you not much no more, but I will finish this week. Okay, wait, my love, Mike. I will call you. Mike, fall asleep. My excellent comment went to Wiz. Theo. Sure, gonna stop this stream to talk to someone named Mike. Yes. I need to call my hubby before going to sleep. So I need to end the live. Bye guys. I love you. My love, Mike. Thank you so much. Bye bye.